Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the Samsung Galaxy A71. So there are two ways for. Let me show you the first one. It works with the buttons. So we will need the power button for and the volume down button. Press these both buttons for short together and you will have a screenshot. After you have the chance to edit the picture directly or to share it maybe by WhatsApp or Telegram and so on. So one more time, the power button and the volume down button just for short together and we will have a screenshot. If you tap now here on the editing symbol, then we are able to crop maybe a part of the picture, maybe a picture from a website or something like this, or we can also draw something inside if we want. And after we can share this edited part or save this edited part directly to our gallery. So there's a second way to take a screenshot, as I said, by just using the edge of our palm. If we swipe it across the screen, we will have a screenshot as well. So one more time, take the edge of your palm, swipe it across the screen, and you will have a screenshot as well. So this requires a bit of training, but I'm sure you can do that. So after you will find your screenshots, of course, here at the gallery, and at the category pictures, you have all the screenshots. As you can see, I had already some twice. But what's very nice here at the category albums, you have an own folder just for screenshots. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.